हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम ये देखेंगे कि हमें युक्ति पर रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे करना होता है एट द इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल। युक्ति इज अ program of government by the Institute Innovation Council that register the various type of innovations and ideas and the project to the government Yukti. So first step is you have to use a URL yukti.mic.gov.in. This type of window has to appear when you insert the yukti.mic.gov.in, and when you scroll down this uh, Yukti site, you came to this window. Here you can see submit your idea, innovation and startup. Just click on this button, submit your idea, oblique innovation, oblique startup. Then you have to appear this window where you have to register yourself as a team leader. Uh, Here you fill some basic details like name, mobile number, email ID, name of institute, and etc. And you have to register. After that, you have this like of window. Please verify your email. You just enter the same mail ID that you have entered during the registration, and a verification code you have received on your email ID. Just verify your email. Then next screen is this. Here you have a different options like idea, POC, prototyping, submission ideas and design validation, business plan and financial plan proposal. So at the institute level, we have to select any one of idea, POC and prototyping. So here I am giving an example with the idea. I have selected this idea, and when you click on the idea, you have this window, add innovation detail and add startup detail. Add innovation, you just click on this button, add innovation detail. You have a this type of window, and you have to fill here the title and development as a part of, and choose the financial year during the idea and POC or innovation developed, sectors, domain, innovation type, and all these detail. It is a self-explanatory. You just click and you can get the result. You just fill all the required field, and after filling you have a at the end you have seen the button save and next. When you did save and next, you have a this type of window where the team leader can add a team members, or it can declare that there are no team members in my team if they have no team members. And here team leader also fill the detail of mentors like name, email ID, phone number, designation, organization type and action. And after filling this detail, this type of finally team leader get a this type of innovation ID, innovation title, sector, domain, and all the details that he or she can fill. And after filling all these detail, you can see the filled detail by clicking on the view detail option. A PDF will be downloaded after clicking on the view details. So this is a very simple procedure for registering in a Yukti website. So anyone can do it by yourself.